everyone. Today, we'll be reviewing clinician billing setting overrides in your TherapyNotes account. In certain circumstances, a clinician may need to bill with different information than the practice, such as when they're paneled with a payer separately. A clinician billing setting override allows clinicians to override the default practice information, like an NPI or tax ID, when submitting claims to all or select payers. To set this up, go to Staff, select the staff member's name, and open the Billing tab. Then, click anywhere in the box labeled Clinician Billing Setting Overrides to edit its contents. In the upper right corner, click the Add Override button. Next, choose the payer the override applies to from the Payer dropdown. If you'd like the override to apply to all payers, select Any Payer. In the remaining fields, enter only the information that differs from the default practice's billing details. All other fields should be left blank. If a payer requires specific claim details, like a rendering provider's NPI, you can use the Claim Note field to include that information. To add more overrides for other payers, just click the Add Override button again. When you're finished, click Save Changes and you're all set. If you have any questions, contact us at 215-658-4550 or email us at support@therapynotes.com. As always, our support is free and unlimited, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.